What if I told you that most businesses don't truly understand their customers? They think they do. They conduct surveys, analyze data, and create detailed customer personas, yet they still struggle to connect. That's because you focus on what you want to sell rather than why customers actually buy. So here's an unconventional insight. Customers don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. They wake up thinking about themselves, their struggles, their goals, their deadlines. So here's the question. Are you selling what you want to sell or what customers actually need? Let's find out. The biggest business mistake, it is believing customers care about you. They don't. They care about themselves. So we will bury this myth, the myth of knowing your customer. Most companies believe they know their customers because they collect data, but data doesn't equal understanding. Knowing demographics is not enough. We must understand customer motivation, what truly drives their decisions. So what we will cover today, how to deeply understand customer needs and wants, how to craft value propositions that make customers choose you, how to apply proven frameworks to design customer-centric solutions that actually work. Welcome to Agna Academy. I am Girish Hebbani. Brands that win aren't the loudest. They are the ones that understand it is not about them, it is about their customers. What we will learn is how to apply this knowledge to build customer-first solutions that actually work to win customers. To truly understand your customer, you need to address their pain, perspective, and a pathway. So you need to identifying their struggles, seeing their point of view, and some way of showing them a way forward. So we need to also understand why they buy, how they think, and what actions that they take. So to deliver what your customer needs, you need to address the gap, the guarantee, and the gain. So what's missing? Your commitment to fill that gap and their reward and what they gain out of it. So let us apply this in real life. Let us use a simple scenario of you being hungry. Have you ever chosen one brand of pizza simply because it was faster or easier to order? Or have you sacrificed speed for better quality? So from your perspective as a customer, let us apply the 3 Ps. The pain. Okay, you are hungry, want pizza, but face trade-offs. Is it speed or dining experience? Perspective. Your view is Pizza Hut offers a social dining experience while Domino's focuses on fast delivery. So your pathway, you choose the pathway to get your pizza based on your lifetime or the time that is available. So it depends on where you see value as the two companies are supplying the same product, pizza in this case, but their value proposition is different. Gap. Domino's think the market lacks the reliable pizza service and Pizza Hut thinks the premium dining experience. The guarantee. Domino's guarantees 30 minutes delivery, but Pizza Hut delivers a great dining experience with a variety of food more than just pizza. So the gain is that you have either get maximum convenience of eating in your pajamas with Domino's or a more enjoyable casual family dining sit-down meal at Pizza Hut. Have a think. What has influenced your decision in choosing a brand? Would you rather go for a pizza to a restaurant or get it delivered home? But more importantly, think why you're thinking that way. Let us capture more of the essence of customers and the value. Let us use a drill as an example. Customers have needs, so the functional problem they must solve, so they need a drill. They have wants, the personal preferences they desire. Some could be wanting a long-lasting heavy-duty drill or a cheap one just to do a simple hole. So jobs to be done, the deeper motivation behind their purchase. They want a hole in the wall to hang a television. So your product isn't just a product. It's a tool customers use to solve a problem. Your value proposition tells customers what problem you solve with your solution and why they should care, why you are uniquely positioned to deliver that solution. So you need to define what makes you different and make it crystal clear. So let us learn a bit more. So let's look at 5 key lessons for crafting the best solutions in your business or personal life. People don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. We already know that. Customers don't care about features, they care about how a product helps them achieve a goal. Identify the real job to be done, not just the surface need. The real underlying need is often emotional or psychological, not just functional. So people don't go to Starbucks just for coffee. They go there for the experience and the status of carrying a Starbucks cup. A strong value proposition comes from a unique insight. The best UVPs don't just compete, they differentiate. They tap into what other competitors ignore. Domino saw that customers cared more about speed and order tracking than just pizza taste, so they won purely on convenience. You need to test, adapt, and evolve. Customers and customer needs change. What worked yesterday won't work tomorrow. Keep refining your value proposition based on real customer feedback. McDonald's added healthier options when they realized customers wanted both convenience and better nutrition. So let's see what insights studies provide on this topic. Here are some insights. Consumers prioritize products that effectively address their specific problems or jobs. A study revealed that 76% of consumers are more likely to consider purchasing from brands that personalize their messaging to address their specific needs. Majority of businesses struggle with the value proposition communication. Despite its importance, a significant number of marketers fail to effectively communicate their product's value proposition. Studies indicate that 88% of marketers do not properly convey their product's unique value propositions. Now that is a large number. Let us learn using frameworks such as Jobs to be Done Canvas and the Value Proposition Canvas to build winning customer-centric solutions. These tools help us decode what customers truly need and craft solutions that they can't resist. Let's break them down. The Jobs to be Done canvas helps us understand the real customer needs. The canvas helps us understand why customers hire a product or service in the first place. So, the key sections of the canvas is the customer job. What is the task, problem, or goal the customer is trying to accomplish? Triggers and struggles. What motivates them to act? What obstacles do they face? Next is current solutions. How are they solving their problem today? What are their desired outcomes? What would the perfect solution look like for them? Emotional and social factors. How do they want to feel? How do they want others to perceive them? The next is the value proposition canvas is to crafting a irresistible offer. Once you identify the customer's job, you then need to align your product's value to that job. That's where value proposition canvas comes in. The two key sections is the customer profile. Who are you solving for? Jobs. What do they need to accomplish? Pains, what frustrates them? And gains, what benefits do they want? Next is the value proposition. How do you solve it? So in products and services, what are you offering? For pain relievers, how does your product eliminate frustrations? gain creators? How does it make their life better? So in summary, the two canvases help you understand what your customers really need. It also helps you align your offer to deliver maximum impact. So when you master these, your product stops becoming just another option and becomes the obvious choice. So here are some tips and secrets. People don't care about your product. They care about what it does for them. So your job is solve their job. Example, no one buys a drill for the drill. They buy it for the hole it makes in the wall, like we saw in the previous example. Identify the real pain point, not the surface problem. Customers might say one thing, but their true motivation is often deeper. Dig into their pain, such as fears and desires. Find the aha moment. Every great product has a moment when customers realize that they need it. Your UVP should emphasize this moment. Uber's tap a button, get a ride made it instantly clear why taxis are outdated. Speak the customer's language. If customers don't instantly understand your value proposition, they will ignore it. Instead of saying AI-driven sleep optimization system, what if someone just says sleep better, stress less, live better? So focus on outcomes, not features. Customers don't care how advanced your technology is, but what they care about is what it makes them feel. Nike doesn't sell shoes. It sells motivation, performance, and achievement. So the best value propositions create a emotional connection. Logic makes people think, but emotion makes them buy. Apple's Think Different wasn't about tech specs. It was about creativity, status, and rebellion. Your best competitor isn't another brand, it's the do nothing option. Many customers won't switch to your solution unless you make it easier than doing nothing. Why did Zoom win over Skype? It wasn't just better, it was effortless to start a meeting. So a great value proposition should fit on a billboard. You can't explain your UVP. If you can't do it in one sentence, it's too complicated. Domino's nailed it. They said, hot pizza delivered within 30 minutes or it is free. So best brands again own a single word in their customers' mind. Customers should immediately associate your brand with one clear, powerful idea. Tesla, innovation. Amazon, convenience. Coca-Cola, happiness. So final thought, if you solve a real problem, your customers will actually start marketing it for you. Understanding and applying the framework and crafting compelling value propositions has helped these known businesses to align their products or services with customer needs. So let us take Zoom. So they specialize in connecting remote workers. With the exponential growth of remote work, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, professionals needed reliable tools to facilitate virtual collaboration. Zoom positioned itself as a user-friendly, high-quality video conferencing solution that just works, addressing the core job of enabling seamless remote communication. Zoom's focus on the specific job led it to emerge as the most used collaboration tool in the world. Another example is PayPal, providing secure online payments. As online transactions became more popular, consumers sought a secure and simple method to handle payments without exposing sensitive financial information. PayPal offered a platform that allows users to make payments without directly sharing their bank details, emphasizing security and ease of use. This approach resonated with users, contributing to PayPal's significant growth and adoption as a trusted online payment method. How about Arm& Hammer, expanding beyond baking soda? Recognizing that consumers use baking soda for various purposes beyond baking, such as deodorizing and cleaning, Arm& Hammer identified multiple jobs their product was hired to do. They expanded their product line to include items like toothpaste, laundry detergent, and pet care products, all leveraging the natural cleaning power of baking soda. This diversification led them to a 30% growth in their annual nutrition business within 1 year. So there are results by getting the value proposition right. So finally, let us wrap up. And we have learned so far is that the best brands don't just sell products, they solve real problems. They understand the customer's pain and craft a value proposition that stands out. They focus on the real jobs customers need done. Build a value proposition that speaks directly to them. If you want to create a winning business through customers, stop following the herd. Challenge assumptions. Rethink what customers truly want. And this is your pathway to your unique space in the market. Let me ask this. What's the one insight you're taking away from today's session? Drop it in the comments. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, remember, customers don't care about your brand story. They care about how your brand fits into their story. Huru for now.